Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change product price based on quantity added to cart for specific product in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. So go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write dynamic pricing with discount rule for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see pricing rule. Then you see product list. So click on it. So we are going to change product price based on quantity added to cart for specific product. Now here you see add new list. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see list name. So you can add list name according to your requirement. So I added list name. Then you see type, product selection, and then you see product, type to select product. So write your product name like this. Now you see product, so select. So you can add multiple product also if you want. And if you want, you can enable search product by SKU number and then click on publish. Now publish done. And then you see pricing rule. So click on it. Then you see add new rule. So click on it. Now you can add rule name. So I added rule name and then you see discount setting. Now you see priority and then you see 1. So you can add number according to your requirement and then you see least priority and will be applied once the product is added to the cart. Now you see apply discount only for registered customer. If you want, you can enable this option. And then you see use custom product filter. Now you see product list. So drop down. Then you see iPhone product list we created. So select. And then you see discount type drop down. So click on it. And then you see quantity rule. So select this quantity based discount. And then quantity based discount. You see different fields here. Now you see type drop down select. Now you see different option here. So select discount on cart quantity. And then you see show pricing table. So enable this option. So pricing table show on specific product. And then you see table layout horizontal vertical. So you can select according to your requirement. And now you see from minimum quantity to maximum quantity. And then you can apply discount type and then discount value. So add quantity here like 10 to 20 and then apply discount type fix or percentage. So you can select according to your requirement. Now percentage and then discount value 5% and then you see plus icon. So you can add multiple quantity. So click on add and then 21 minimum quantity and 40 and then apply discount percentage and then discount value of 10%. Now you see disable discount if product is on sale. So you will enable disable according to your requirement. Now scroll up. Now you see schedule. So click on it. If you want, you can add schedule also from date to date. And then you see rules and restriction. So we don't need this because we apply this rule for specific product. Now discount status enable and then click on publish. Now publish done. Now again go to pricing rule. So if you want, you can add more rules and then you see product list. So click on it. If you want, you can add more list also according to your requirement. Now go to product page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. You see quantity discount table, quantity price. Now go to setting again. So click on setting. Now you see general setting, discount label and then you see pricing table. So you can select pricing table position according to your requirement. Then you see pricing table value, ascending, descending, and then you see pricing table value display, discount value or discounted price. So you can do setting according to your requirement. Now go to product again. So you can add multiple product here according to your requirement. Now 11, 12. So click on add to cart. Now click on view cart. Now scroll down. You see we added 12 quantity. Total price is 120 and then you see cart total, subtotal 120 and then you see discount -6. So again added 21 and then click on update cart. Now you see total price 210. Now in cart total, you see subtotal 210 and then you see discount 21. So in this way you can change price product based on quantity added to cart. Now go to product again. Scroll down. You see table also here. 10 to 20 quantity price is 9.50. 21 to 40 price is 9. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.